Okay, hey there everybody, it's Louise from the Pewter Palace, and it is move out day for us today at Ellseworth Air Force Base in Box Elder, South Dakota, and it's a time to be appreciative of little things. The not so little thing is we've had amazing winds, especially for the last 2 days. You can see my hair going crazy. I'm wearing my little hairband here to try to keep myself somewhat decent looking. Gusting 35 miles an hour, steady 20 to 25. And I apologize for the probably the wind sound, but I wanted to make sure you got the full effect of this. Thankfully, the way we parked in our back end spot, which I'm going to show you right here, we were facing our rear end into the wind. So that meant that our Avion door, which, see, we can just go like this and show our Avion door hinges were also on the right side. So when you open the door, it just wanted to close instead of flinging backwards and possibly ripping off the hinges. So that's my little thankful for small things today. It has not been fun for Kevin trying to work with all this wind, for sure. He's been a real trooper trying to get things done and battened down, and got our fittings greased this morning. Dropped our tanks, not dropped, but unloaded them. And so we're going to be moving over back into the Badlands this afternoon, and to Cedar Creek National Park Campground. We will be in the Badlands National Park, and we're going to visit their main visitor center in the Badlands, which from all accounts looks fabulous, and we'll do a lot of pictures and some video maybe from there. And Cedar Creek is electric only. We do have an electric only site booked. It is an NPS campground, so you can't expect too much, but it is right in the heart of the Badlands, and hoping that this yucky weather does not keep wildlife away, because measures we can take it, wildlife, buffalo, bighorn sheep, just like moseying by your trailer campground, would be really awesome. We did see some amazing bison herds and pronghorn antelope on our way through Custer State Park. So that's all for today. Thankful for little things, which is we picked a campsite that happens to be, the wind has been coming from the northwest, and our butt of our trailer was facing right into the wind, so we had no rocking whatsoever. We really don't with our stabilizer system anyway, but we were able to keep our door intact too. All right, so that's all from the Pewter Palace this morning. It is Saturday, day before Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And if you're not a mother, you had a mother. So think of her at this special time of May. Take care. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. We really appreciate that. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.